Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. In particular though, if you find this video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button before you go, or maybe even leave a comment that just simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So it is an absolutely perfect device to keep in your car because it can go ahead and jumpstart your car if you have a dead battery, or it can inflate your tires if you have a flat tire, or it can even charge up your cell phone if it runs dead. So this is by a company called ANFLAG. This is the box it comes in. The particular model here is the BD50. Once you open it up, it's going to come in this nice, convenient carrying case. So as you can see, just simply put this in your trunk, maybe put it by your spare tire, and you're gonna be good to go. Now, once you open this up, it's gonna come with everything you need. So first off, you will see you're gonna have the little jump starter device itself, and then you're gonna have this mesh bag that's gonna have all the parts and pieces. So let's go over all the parts and pieces that you're gonna get. So first off, like I mentioned, it's got the jump starting ability. This is gonna be able to jump start basically any gasoline car, and then it's gonna be able to do diesel cars up to 12 liters. So this is the little device here. Obviously you have the red and black, so it's very color coded to put on your battery. And then you're just gonna plug this into the device, and then you're gonna be good to go. Now, where it plugs into the device itself is going to be on the top here. You're simply gonna remove the little rubber stop and then just plug it in. Once it's hooked up to the battery, go and start your car. One of the nice things about the jumping aspect of it, it has a force start function. So if you have a fully dead battery, this guy will be able to get it started for you, which is absolutely great. The jump starter here has a 21,800 mAh battery. That is a massive battery. Obviously, that's the reason it's gonna be able to jumpstart your car a couple times out of that, but it also has a lot of the other features that's gonna last for a long time, which we're gonna go over here shortly. In addition to that, you're gonna be able to use this device to inflate your tires. You're gonna have this little kind of easy to use cord. It's just gonna screw in. It doesn't kind of snap in, it actually screws in, so you don't have to worry about it like dangling or popping off while you're inflating. That's a big thing that I like about it. It is a screw attachment, and then you just have kind of a standard little hose part that just put it over your tire and then push down, and it's nice and locked. This is standard. You can utilize this on bicycles or your car. It does have multiple settings on the device itself, so all you have to do is turn it on, and you have this nice LED screen that makes it very easy to see. It's going to tell you exactly how much battery life you have, down to the percentage, and then simply press the mode button, and that's going to go to the tire inflator. This thing can do PSI, and then it can also do bar pressure, and then it can do the kPa pressure. So depending on your setup or where you are in the region, you can adjust it as needed. At the top, you're gonna see these different little green icons. That is going to basically tell you what kind of like preset it has, which is another nice feature. So it has the car, and you can easily adjust that to the PSI. So it is custom. It will remember the last setting. So if you're constantly wanting to do basically a 38 PSI, it's going to remember that, which is another nice feature of it. Simply press the button and it'll turn on. That's the little middle button right there, and you're good to go. Now press the M button to change devices. So the next one is your motorcycle. If you have a motorcycle, obviously you can preset that. Then you have your standard just bicycle, and then you have kind of your sports balls, basketballs, footballs, that kind of stuff. And then with them all turned on, that's kind of like what I like to refer to as the custom feature. So you can just pick whatever you want as far as inflation. If you have like a certain pool inflator tool, you can do that, and you're good to go as far as that aspect. Now, not only does it include this to do your tires, it's gonna include this little baggie here with 3 different attachment types. Obviously you have the real thin one, which is what's used for like footballs, basketballs, soccer balls, etc. And then you have the other 2, which is great for filling up, like I said, some balls will use those, but those are absolutely great for pool floaties and things like that. Naturally, all this is going to be covered in the user manual. However, like I said, we're covering all the features right here in the video. You're also going to get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. That's how you can charge up the device itself. or you can utilize that cable to charge up your cell phone, your tablet if it goes dead. So like I said, this can act as a battery bank because it has that massive battery on it. So on the side here, you're gonna have multiple USBs, and it's listed out here are to make it easy to see. So the first two are going to be your outs. So you have just straight up USB plugs. You can plug this straight in and utilize this, or if you have another USB, you're good to go. Now, down here at the bottom is the USB Type-C. That can be utilized. That's how you're gonna charge this device up. Once again, plug the Type-C into the device, plug this into a wall adapter or your laptop, your computer, whatever, and it will charge up the device. So everything is very easy here on the side. Also on the same side as the controls, that's where you're gonna see the pump inflator. Just simply screw that in and you can go ahead and inflate your car with it. Now, you'll also notice it does have a little kind of white rectangle here. That is a flashlight. So the flashlight is another great feature of it. Just hold down the power button and it will turn on. And you're gonna have 3 modes. So you're just gonna have a just standard light, you're gonna have a flashing light, and then you're gonna have an SOS mode in case, you know, you're emergency and you're trying to flag down help. So it's just another useful aspect. And just simply tap that power button to cycle through the modes, and then go ahead and once again hold it down and it will turn off for you if you don't need to utilize that again. But like I said, it is fully got all the functions you need to keep your basically any type of emergency you may have in your car. It does have an IP64 weatherproof rating. So basically if you are stuck out and it's pouring rain and you're having to fill up your tire or you have a dead battery, you're good to bring this device outside. It can get rained on. Don't throw it in the pool, but it can get rained on and you're good for that aspect. It also does have a essentially a 2-year shelf life, if you will, as far as the battery. So that's why it's great to throw in your trunk. You can put it in there and it's gonna last and not decharge on you. So it's ready for an emergency. Just make sure to charge it up. I like to charge it up once a year, but if it is good for 2 years as far as sitting in your trunk. But overall, if you are looking for a great device to keep your tires inflated, to protect you if you ever have a dead battery, built-in flashlight, maybe use it as a power bank if you need to, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.